With this new Google innovation, you can get the best of both worlds. As you can see, I took a picture of a shrub I found in Berkeley. Um, with this new Google Assistant feature or Google Photos feature, you can click the bottom right button and you'll see these dots populate over the picture. It'll contextually see what's there and bring up results. And from there, you can open up your browser and get those results. So it's really cool. Now you can look at signs in a different language and have them displayed to you. But for this example, you see this is a shrub here. I didn't know what it was called. I always used to see it when I was younger. But now you can get all of the information in your phone. So it doesn't get any better than that. You can see what's edible. Definitely be careful if you're going to do that. You know, um, See what type of plants you have around your home, what's native to you, what's not native, what was placed here, man-made, all that good stuff. So it's interesting. But definitely check it out. I use it for some other things. It's kind of wonky, but they're on the right track. And with the developments of Google Duplex coming out, I'm pretty sure we'll get more apps like this. Yeah, so take a look, try it yourself. Again, I think you have to have Android 4.0.